What is common law? So common law is just a reflection of natural law. Some people think, oh, this must be, it must be man-made law. And it is something that we express as human beings, but it's really just bringing natural law into a framework that's easy to understand and relate to. Common law, there's a couple of different ways to formulate it because it is a largely oral tradition that is sometimes written down. This particular formulation, I think, really sums it up well. The main principle is we cause no harm, no injury, no loss to others. We always act responsibly and proportionally in all circumstances, which, by the way, sometimes allows us to cause harm as an exception. For example, if you need to defend yourself and stop someone from attacking you, you may inadvertently harm them, but that's justified. That's acting proportionally to the circumstance. Or if a doctor needs to save someone's life, they may need to break open their chest to save their life. They're causing harm, but again, it was responsible and proportionate to that circumstance. Always be honorable in your contracts. We're going to talk so much about contracts. Always be honorable. Honor your word. Be true to your word. Don't be deceptive. Wink, wink to all the bankers out there. Your rights end where another person's begin. So it's all about mutual respect, right? So knowing your rights is really easy. You have a right to do anything that does not infringe on the rights of anyone else. Let me say that one more time. You have a right to do anything that does not infringe on the rights of anyone else. Conversely, no one may claim ownership of your rights. Now, you can contractually give up certain rights, not all of them. There are unalienable rights, but you can contractually give up certain rights entering into contracts. And that's essentially what has been happening and why a lot of people have been suffering through through a lot of deceptions in the commercial world, right? In terms of commerce, banking, but also government, which is also commerce. Okay. So I can't remember who said it earlier, but someone said correctly, we have unalienable rights to eat food so we can survive, to, drink clean water, clean air, to defend ourselves, to have shelter from the elements, to be safe in our own bodies. These are unalienable rights. They are rights that no one can claim ownership of them for any reason, not even once, but we still need to assert our rights. That is why we are here today. It's not automatic. We have these rights, but we still need to stand up for them.